In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet points in Lucidchart. To get started, open your diagram inside the Lucidchart editor. Once your file is open, go to the specific shape where you want your bulleted text to appear. This can be helpful if you're organizing notes, listing features, or adding multiple short points inside a single diagram element. Next, double-click directly on the shape so you can edit the text inside it. This puts your cursor into text editing mode and allows you to type right inside the shape. From here, you'll use a keyboard shortcut to insert the bullet symbol manually. If you're using Windows, press Alt+0 on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, press Option+8. Either shortcut will insert a bullet point into the text area. Once the bullet appears, go ahead and type the first item in your list. Since Lucidchart doesn't always handle bulleted lists the same way as a traditional word processor, this method gives you a simple way to create the effect manually. It's quick, reliable, and especially useful when you only need a short list inside a diagram shape. When you're ready to move to the next line, press Ctrl and enter on your keyboard. This creates a new line within the same shape, instead of finishing the text box or clicking out of it. After that, repeat the same process to add another bullet point using your keyboard shortcut, and then type the next item in your list. You can continue this pattern for as many bullet points as you need. Insert the bullet, type your text, press Ctrl and enter to move to the next line, and repeat. Taking it step by step makes it easier to keep your formatting clean and consistent. One helpful tip is to keep your bullet text fairly short so it stays readable inside the shape. If the shape starts to feel crowded, you may want to resize it slightly so your list has enough room and remains easy to scan. And that's all there is to it. Once you know the keyboard shortcuts, adding bullet points in Lucidchart is simple and fast. Just open your diagram, double-click the shape, insert the bullet using the correct shortcut for your device, and use Ctrl and Enter to move to the next